up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video, man. So today we at CJ on 32's meet and greet with Real to Real, Marty, the whole CJ on 32. I mean the 32 gang. I'm tweaking out right now. As you can see, I got my man's Bronx with me. We finna shut it down real quick. But yeah, came out here, man, to network. So if they playing some music, hey, chill out. If they play, I should have brought some sunglasses, but if they playing some music, you know what I'm saying, you're gonna get a whole bunch of B-roll. As you can see right there, they got, you know what I'm saying, some stuff pulled up right there. The ZL1 Mercedes. My man's Rod in the building. But let me fix my camera, sorry y'all. I just broke my shit. That's crazy. But yeah. Once y'all, if they got some music playing, man, I'm gonna have to play some B-roll because I don't want to get copyrighted. But let me turn this off real quick because I just broke my stuff. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Drop 32's in the comment section for your boy CJ on 32's. And yeah, y'all stay tuned. Broke my damn thing, man. It ain't. I ain't having a good day at all right now. I broke my damn thing, man. But it's all good. I gotta hold this little. I gotta. Oh yeah. But yeah, I might not be able to look at them. They going crazy. Yeah. So look at this though, man. Oh yeah, that's her husband and wife. I don't know who that is, but shit. But we finna have a whole bunch of people coming up to us and shit. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of B-roll or whatever. Oh yeah. Come on. Huh? No. You want to pet him? Go ahead. Come on. If you scared, bro, don't even do it. If you scared, don't even do it. No.
How old is he?
They just turned 1. I'll give him raw ground beef with some Victor, and then I'll mix it up with some coconut oil. Yeah, I got him. CJ, my guy, what's the word, man? I seen the one that you had in your basement. I'm like, shit, I gotta show you what we working with out here. Yeah, he ain't gonna bite you, man.
Nice.
Appreciate it, man.
Nice. You got a nice coat.
Appreciate it, man. Sit down.
Standard?
Nah, yeah, XL. Yep. He had 120.
He about Kobe size.
Huh? Yeah. Go ahead. Relax. American Bully, bro. XL.
God damn! Oh my! Don't hate the game, cuz you better wait. You see where they coming?
I'm gonna have to get up in this joint. I see they brought the whips out.
What kind of dog you said it was?
American Bully XL.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all.
Oh yeah. Merle or what?
Nah, he's a blue tick try. Yup.
You ain't made him yet?
Hey, everybody who come to me, they ain't got no papers. I got them double registered. So if they ain't got no papers, we can't even talk no business. You know what I mean? So yeah, everybody come to me. Really real, what's good, man?
Damn, boy. That motherfucker wrong.
I DM'd
Hell
you.
no, I got a girl dog, so he gonna smell me and get the Let me bag back a little
No,
bit.
remember I DM'd you. I'm like, bro, I wasn't trying to breed. I was just trying to show you what I had because I seen the female in your video.
We got the same.
We got the same.
That's the same dog?
Yeah,
No,
same
same litter.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I had DM'd you. I shot you the picture. You was like,
Yeah. Shit, I'll make with you now. Shit, that's a monster. I had another dude that asked me too.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? He stayed where I used to stay.
Yeah, I'm out in Frisco.
Into this big too.
Oh yeah, he only
But
one
this
though.
Right here, I'll bring out them tries.
Yeah, for
You know
sure.
what I'm saying? So ours got the tri merle in the blood, but ours ain't no tries, they just merle.
Yeah, I got you. Yup.
These will throw out the tri merle.
Yup.
Yeah.
Hey.
Come on now.
Chill out.
What you be charging for stud for?
Man, right now, it's only $2K, but I'm willing to do a putback deal just to get some productions out. You feel me?
Exactly.
So I ain't really money hungry like that, you know what I mean? So if I can get some putback deals, we can do that. Yeah.
After my dog first heat, I'm gonna do it on the second.
Yup. And then his father.
We got the papers, everything.
We hey, we straight. Double. ABKC and UKC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tap in with me again, man, so I can lock you in.
That's a bet. Y'all,
don't do these dogs no justice, boy.
Hell no.
That motherfucker big as hell, boy.
No, you wasn't there Rick Ross, boy.
No, I ain't make it. The last time I seen y'all was at the sports bar out in the colony.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the last time I showed up. They cutting up. They cutting up. We're gonna have to get some little extra film to walk around. Yeah. You wanna walk around, bro? Nah. Go ahead.
You got Instagram though, right?
Yeah. I got a personal and a bully page.
I'm trying to show you. I got a little anxiety, little pocket.
L Street Music Cruising.
What's happening? What's up with you? Yeah, big kill. Come on. Appreciate it, bro. Hey, how far down the drain? now. I said his stance was looking shitty just because he's standing like that.
Ain't nobody tripping. I just had some.
There's gonna be a lot of oh yeah, they for sure gone. Oh, I think he talking about I think he talking about something else.
Oh no.
I think he's talking about something else. I wonder how far. Huh?
I said, look.
Or you could just vlog, bro, and just turn it into B-roll, record yourself, and you know what I'm saying? Just like you just get content, it's different. You know what I'm saying?
You can get creative with that shit when he gets back to the house.
Yeah. Huh? For him? You want to buy it? It's gonna cost. Damn, they got a Rolls Royce.
Man, I was
Come on. I'm listening to you. Oh, got you. Oh, that, yeah, that's fresh. How you doing? Yeah, come on. Don't jump. Relax.
Oh, I want one.
L Street Music Cruising.
They got rim and everything out here. Clearing. Man. They even got that's the Impala, ain't it? Hey, he lifting up on the ass. Yeah. Oh, there you go, Rod. There you go, Rod. Right there.
I feel like I probably seen them around.
What, that joint? Oh, this is the end of it? Yeah. Let me cut this off. Get the wide body. Come on.
Oh no,
L Street Music Cruising.
with me. Fam out here cutting up. They got, I want to see them fight. He got out with no shirt on. You know he feeling himself.
You just spinning that bitch. You show you.
The red dye blowing me though. That's his only thing. He just like jumping. Go ahead, shout your channel out.
Supercharged TV. You can find SRT Sammy and Big Worm. Big Worm, but official Supercharged TV.
That's the most
Got all kinds of content. We'll be uploading this here pretty soon today.
So this the only thing you record off of?
For the most part, yes. Honestly, it's just reliable, consistent, easy. We have the GoPros, we have Instant 360s, but I don't know.
So this right here, can you get footage like if you like, you know, moving side to side? I need to, where you get that from? Best Buy?
This is a gimbal, Amazon. It was like 70, 80 bucks.
I need to get one of them.
Yeah,
I just
it's
broke
worth
mine,
it.
as you can see. It's
Oh
broke,
yeah,
so.
you have to have it.
Yeah.
Have to have it. Hey, cutie.
Yeah.
Her shit look great. You gotta see it, bro. Her shit look crazy. Your ankle off, that knee will be gone.
Come on.
I ain't playing with her. That motherfucker got paid rent. I like that chain though. Is that? Hold on. That's the rose gold, yellow, and white.
Yeah, we a two-tone, yeah. It's a bully shop. Hey, come on. It's a bully shop in Mesquite.
He is not playing, bro. That's that all real gold. Damn, what is called?
It's
Gold chain or some shit?
no, that's not the brand, but I know you're talking about,
Yeah,
dog.
you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah. No, this is HGK. That's the brand. But
Definitely gotta get my girl one of them.
it's a bully shop in Mesquite. My man's Doug. Like it's called Bully Alliance in Mesquite.
Okay.
And he, as soon as you walk in there, he got everything. He even got some that got diamonds in it. They might not be real diamonds, but they, you know what I mean?
You don't want to put no real diamonds
Yeah.
damn dog.
Yeah. But it'll
Motherfucker trying to kill your dog.
it'll make it pop out.
Come on, go.
Okay, I got some stars for you. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Uh-oh.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm just,
Stars.
I'm just so you. No, I'm used to saying this shit. Hey, my bad,
Hey.
Sam, it's okay. Don't whoop me, guys.
Oh, this yours right here too, right, boss?
Flooded.
That shit like a galaxy up
You
there.
open the back door for me?
Yes, you
Yeah.
got the little wishing thing over here.
Don't mind the mess. Don't get the mess, okay?
How many stars you get? Over
1100. 1100.
Nice.
That shit crazy up there.
You can drop your vehicle off with me on Monday. Take it with you. I'll take the headliner out, install the stars. You come see me on Friday. I'll reinstall it.
You put
It's
your own
easy.
stars in?
I did that.
Clean.
Yes, sir.
That shit's so nice.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm there. You know, I'm first on the list, dog. Shit. That shit's so nice. I already paid.
Bravo! Rod! I can't even get his attention.
You can get
Hey, Rod!
Get the stars.
Rod! So this is Miss Sammy. Everybody go
That's right.
subscribe to her.
Please.
Where you do it at? Where you shop?
I'm actually doing it from home.
What's your fee for everybody who want to know?
Okay, so you're gonna have to DM me because it depends.
On your vehicle.
It depends, not on the vehicle, more or less how many stars, what effects, if you want shooting stars, if you want designs in it.
Yeah. You can look at the inside.
It depends on what you want on it.
Yeah.
You got big old red out back there too.
You want to get the footage on the inside, Eric?
Let me open up, you'll see it from the trunk.
The stars in that joint.
Oh yeah, okay.
Can you see it from there or not really? Yeah.
And this is her husband's right here, right?
Yes, sir. Look up his and hers track off.
Look at that. His and hers track off.
Now this is flooded without a
That's crazy. You did your own rap too?
SRT Sammy 717, also called
You did your own rap too?
Hell no. I won't even take. That's chrome.
Okay.
That's hard as hell to work with for real.
How long was the process? Like how long you had to drop your car off?
2 weeks.
Oh, that's not bad.
2 weeks.
Big Worm, let's see the inside of yours, man.
You got the peanut butter.
Yeah, both wheels gonna be the same. So when you put them on, the pattern it's gonna be matching up. It's all on this side.
Tell my girl to do my stars, bro.
I know, wifey. He said he'll cook for a whole week if you do the stars for him.
But yeah, this gonna have
Peanut butter.
sunroof, same shit though.
Let me ask y'all a question. Have y'all ever did a video just on how much maintenance would cost y'all for the people who don't know?
Not yet.
That'd be a good one. Yeah. Because people can think, you know, just grabbing these cars is just grabbing the cars, but don't know how much it costs. Yeah.
Now, we spent a bag before we can even drive it. Just to protect it, bro. Ceramic coat, all that shit, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Y'all gonna follow Big Worm?
TVs in the back.
You got TV?
Oh yeah, bro. Fully optioned out, bro. That's like an outlet. Ain't no bullshit here, bro. The window sticker got my name on it, bro. Say Big Worm on the window sticker, bro.
Okay. Talk your shit then.
Yeah, you know. There's a lot of niggas out here capping, bro. I gotta make sure they know. Real though. Real, I was telling, there's a lot of niggas out here capping, you know.
Oh, come on, man. Ain't no, hey, ain't no Kelvin, know what I'm saying?
Oh, they got that.
They got that motherfucking green, know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Taekwondo belt on too, know what I'm saying? Don't play with my boy.
Hey,
Taekwondo.
why, boy?
You ain't no us. She gonna get the brown belt next.
Oh God, oh God.
Hey.
See if they make it fit.
That's that jiu-jitsu belt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's like this y'all's too?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. What you on, bro?
This one got the Alcantara inside.
Hey, come on.
So you don't do this one too?
Oh yeah. She gonna go crazy in this one, bro.
Hey,
She told me last night. Huh?
with the camera, I learned how to do them designs.
That's what she doing.
I'm gonna do a design in this one.
But you know the easy way I do it? Okay.
Alcantara
Here's the
roof and
secret.
everything, bro.
Exactly.
Real carbon.
I'm finna say, get somebody to cut it out.
I hate the. I had a blue
That's all
one,
you do.
and it was just regular, bro.
You think if
I
people
felt like for the money, like,
And I'll tell you, it's easy.
man, bro, it needed to be a little bit nicer inside. So I had to order
Did you
this.
get this? Did you have to get this built? Like go in, place an order, or you walked in and got it?
My partner, let me order that one. And my other partner down there in Beaumont, he had one coming in already spec'd out like I wanted. So I was able, right after I got that bitch, I was able to order that bitch and have that dropped off at my crib.
And then I
Had
started.
them both show up at the same time.
So for the people who don't know, if they wanted to get one of these, would you prefer business credit or person?
I don't care. Ain't nobody got no reason.
Well, it depends. First things first, we going that deep. Before you even buy one, figure out how it can make you money.
True.
That's the difference. We can go back and start talking about assets and liabilities. We really talking
Yeah,
about.
yeah.
See, I bought these because I knew that this was gonna get me paid on Instagram like this. People gonna ask me what I do for a living,
Right.
and I do stock market shit. So now I can, you know what I'm saying, get them on the back end. But yeah, these are investments. This is a rolling billboard, bro. This ain't no,
Right.
you know, if you ain't got a plan to figure out how your purchases can make you money, bro.
Yeah.
So after that, if you want to do business credit, you know, do it. But
I asked them. No. I actually.
real spill.
Hey.
He about to run off. He said he talking
He's
about
talking business.
What's up? Okay. I think this is my first time in my little car career.
Hey, you got a business.
But I be seeing y'all on YouTube.
Yeah.
What's your name, bro?
Yes, sir. Network. I'm with this. You can't be Mr. Cool guy. Take the glasses off and get to it.
Go ahead and shut your garage out, boss.
Pro Touring Texas. It's Big Worm. SRT Sammy.
Really real. Shut yourself out, boss.
Man, real to real in the building, man. My boy came down here, got the biggest dog in the damn city. If y'all can see it in person, you know what I'm
Big old
saying?
head.
Yeah, make sure y'all tap to it.
That head's about as big as this wheel.
Yes, sir.
It's my channel. I can't even see that channel.
Oh shit.
I'm working.
I don't want him to pass out. I was debating if I want to bring him just because of how hot it was. You know what I'm saying? I don't want him to collapse. So I was like, start cooling down. So, you know what I'm saying?
He's doing great, man. You got him well trained.
Yeah, wait. Hey, look how high I gotta have my camera for you.
I know, man. I'm standing next to this guy, bro.
Hey, my camera usually be down here and shit. Nigga got like this for them.
Hey, I see it, I feel a little hell. Everybody be letting me off that. That's it, I step aside that nigga.
I feel normal now, man. I feel like I was born for everybody.
You get that. We got white people making me feel little. I'm gonna be on the girls for real feel little. I make everybody else feel little here.
That's true.
Yeah, it was. It's crazy.
Come on.
It's 707 now. That's right.
Whoa. Yeah, that's fresh.
Thank you.
I like that. Marty Mars.
Boy, go ahead and shout you out, man.
Oh yeah, you can find me Ayo Stacy right here. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
It's free to subscribe.
And it's free to give me a thumbs up.
And it's free to give you a thumbs up. And it's free to hit the bell. If you
All
don't
of
hit
that
the
shit
bell, your
free.
subscribe don't even count. All this
of
shit
it's
free.
free. All of it's free.
Sharing is free. Commenting is free.
If it's an emoji.
People that's watching us right now, did y'all hit the like button yet? Y'all probably didn't. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. I really want to show this dog too. This dog is huge.
Hey.
Hey, somebody gonna have to get me next to this dog. Hey, Rail. Rail. Y'all gonna have to get me next to this dog. This dog bigger than me, bro.
I know.
Hold on, let me see. Your ass too big, boy.
I know, boy. You the dangerous man. Hey, what? See them Latinos today. Can't no black guy putting his head.
Hey, you feel me? He wanted to get next to Bronx. You know what I mean? Hey, Stunner Man Reed.
Hey, take it one with.
I don't know what it is. The boy Stunner Rush out here, man, with my boy Ayo Stacy, man. Make sure y'all tune into him. Check out all the content, man. Definitely lit, man. It's your boy. I'm out, man. We turned out to the car shop, man. Brought my man Bronx out. You feel me? Did a whole bunch of networking. You know what I'm saying? Y'all go ahead and follow everybody. Marty Mars, CJ on 32's, Red Real, Sammy, Big Worm, everybody. You seen everybody car. Man, y'all make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up. Comment whichever favorite car was y'all's in the comment section, man. Share this on your profile. It's free. Y'all stay tuned because another video is coming soon, man.